pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
royal icing for Christmas cake. For this I'm using 675 grams of icing sugar, that's powdered sugar, 3 egg whites and 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Beware when sifting the icing sugar, it goes everywhere. It's probably where the idea of snow at Christmas came from. First, beat the egg whites until they turn frothy. Frothy egg whites. Now add the icing sugar a spoonful at a time. You want to whisk it until you get peaks, like that. Then add the lemon juice. Once that's done, you can begin to spoon it over the cake you made earlier. Spread it down the sides. You can either make pretty patterns like a mountain in the top, or you can smooth it over. A warm palette knife works better than an icing smoother, I've just found. I can see why people do mountain peaks in, it's much easier. Now you're supposed to leave it for 24 hours until it's fully set, but I'm going to stick my bit of holly in it now. There we go. The Biro Christmas cake recipe is 100 years old this year, 2025. Happy birthday, Christmas cake recipe. Happy birthday.
my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.